Hi everyone! Good evening! Kumusta na kayong lahat? I just want to share pala a reminder lesson that I've encountered few days ago na in this world, kahit anong buti or kabutihan ang ipakita natin sa ating kapwa or sa ibang tao, minsan hindi sapat yun and may nasasabi pa rin sila behind our backs. And you know what guys, for me, it's okay. Those kind of people, they are not worth our presence. Actually, these lessons, I've known it since I was in my teens, then 20s when I'm working, then 30s when I'm still working, and at the same time, I became a mother. Alam ko yung lesson na yun, but along the way, universe our life rather, that will make us to experience those kind of situations. After all kasi, naniniwala ako na ang universe ang gagawa at gagawa ng paraan for us to make the right people that will appreciate us, that will accept us for who and what we are. They will accept all our imperfections without any judgment. And yung mga taong mabebelong tayo sa circle nila, na mas tanggap tayo, na mas tutulungan tayong mag-grow and ma-reach yung mga dreams natin. And now that I became a mom, yun din po yung mga tinuturo kong guidelines sa mga kids ko, na don't trust anybody, and just be ourselves, just be yourself. Sinasabi ko yun sa kanila, basta pagpatuloy lang nilang gumawa ng kabutihan, kasi iba ang pagiging mabait sa pagiging mabuti. When you say pagiging mabuti, is you're doing things through God's intervention, through God's guidelines on His faithfulness to us and our faithfulness to Him.